Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've got some cash sitting in your PayPal account and you're ready to move it to your bank, you're in the right spot. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account in 2025. This process is simple and secure, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it with confidence. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on a secure device. If you haven't already, head to the PayPal website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, look for the Wallet or Balance section. It's usually right on the homepage. This is where you can see your available funds. Next, click on Transfer Funds or Transfer to Bank. PayPal might have updated its interface by 2025, so if it's a bit different, don't worry. Just search for the transfer option. Now, you'll need to select your bank account. If you haven't linked one yet, you'll have to add it. This involves entering your bank's routing number and account number. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any delays. Once your bank is selected, enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, PayPal might take a small fee for this, so keep an eye on that. After that, hit Confirm or Transfer Now. You'll get a confirmation screen, and that's it, the money is on its way. Processing times can vary. It might take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. If you're in a rush, check if PayPal offers instant transfers for a fee. One quick tip. Always verify your bank's details before transferring to prevent any issues. And if you run into problems, PayPal's help center is packed with resources. There you have it, folks. That's how you get your money moving in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.